Welcome everyone. Today we're gonna analyze what has been happened since my last video. It was 6 days ago already, and believe it or not, Bitcoin have been doing exactly what I have been telling you. We're gonna see what is coming and actually something, any structure. We see that any structure chain or not. If you're interested about trading Bitcoin, knowing how time frames works and how to take advantage of the market, this is the video for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, smash that like. I would really appreciate it, so I can continue growing and also sharing all this information completely for free to you. So that being said, I'm gonna start first with the daily, guys, because this was such an important time frame. I was saying to you, this area is not the area where we are buying, because we were buying already at the 60k, 65k, even 70 was all right to buy. I was mentioning in my past videos, and we can see how after I was making the video, we were in this area, and I was saying, guys, this is not the time to enter. Everybody wants to enter right now. I see already that someone is selling, and all this pressure gonna continue going to the downside, because we still have the time to go and make the red valid, which right now you can see, and that's why it's so important for us to do all these steps ahead in order to take profits of the market, because otherwise you just gonna end up losing money like most of the people in this industry, guys. Let me play this video when I'm saying, and that was like 6 days ago. Since last week, and right now already has around 7 days more or less. The 8th day, during the 8th and 9th day, we should know already where to position ourselves for the next move. And this is what I'm bringing up right now, because you know, if you follow my channel, you know already the time frames. I think we were at almost 8700 daily. We count always around the 8 to 10 days, and after that we come with a new pattern, and they start getting a new time frame. We start to count again for that. So coming up to today, the highest probability is that we're gonna go to the downside. We're gonna go to the downside. Let me see. I can mark it here, put it like that. We will come and reach the 55 May. I'm leaving it to the 78, but because so there you have, guys, exactly what I was saying. I mean, we were already holding really nice this area, and after that also you can see the Fortuna line just bent exactly right here. And this is what is so important to have this indicator as well, because it gives you already a big information of what is happening. And let me just put it here so you can also have a better idea. Where is it, guys? Right here. Here you see, we see how it's holding and holding, but we know the time is already running out. Even if the Fortuna line is positive after this big candle, even if it was almost absorbed, let me move this, you can see the candle was almost absorbed, but exactly in that time we start losing already momentum, and the Fortuna line start bending right here. We don't go out right here, but we go out and bounce, which in this case was here, like the 81. So that is so important to know, because we're never gonna sell all the top. I mean, we almost did in this channel. We were selling around 120k in October the 6th, I was telling you. So hopefully you will subscribe to the channel. Otherwise, guys, I don't know why you're wasting your time. Just click over there, and also it's gonna be helpful for me, but also for you. That's actually what I want, to help many people as I can with the knowledge I have been getting all over the years. So that being said, we can see how the Fortuna line start to go, and the downsides, we start losing the strength, and then we see all these bounce. Where do we went? Exactly to the 55 EMA, which is the orange line over here. And right now I place an order right now, because we're gonna do a trade. I'm gonna keep showing you this. You can do any trade without putting any money. If you want to practice, you don't need to put money first. I will explain you how to do it on TradingView. But also, guys, if you want to follow my strategy and also get profit with that and learn by your own, just go in the description below. There is a link to a video where I completely teach you all the indicators I use, so you can also follow me and you can work by your own as well once you get the information. That's why you should subscribe, because all the time I explaining how it works, the time frames, and many other strategies in order to play all together with the indicators and then have profits now. So I was saying we're gonna go exactly here, and we are right there. And now the big question is what we're gonna do next. Well, to be honest, I have been saying that we're going to be forming the Elliott waves, the third one, which is a doubt wave, where everybody is going to be doubting well, you're gonna be doubting. I'm not doubting. I already know that since weeks ago. I was telling you we're having all these impulses, and now we are below the consolidation we were going to form, and now we're just right there. Let me mark this for you. This is the top, and this one right here is the bottom we have. I'm gonna move this box. This was just an example where we're going to go in my previous video. But so what I'm expecting right now is to have some consolidation right here. You see already. And afterwards, go to the opposite. At least this is what is happening right now and evolving in the daily, because we still have the time, guys. We're still forming this small red valley, and this is going to be the area to enter. Then where are we going to go? We're going to go to the opposite, exactly as the weekly say. It's exactly the same as has been playing out before. Even if we go to its rejection, we may go to the opposite, but don't expect much, because also the time is passing, and we not see a big movement, and the rejection we have is already from the 200 EMA, which that is a really important support or resistance for the Bitcoin price. So just keep in mind that if we go, we're not gonna go to the moon like everybody gonna be screaming when that happens. Now you can see how the stream fear is again, the sentiment is again, just because we drop a little bit from 80 to 76, and this is something we already knew before, but people still getting really emotional, and this we're gonna see it all the time. So that's why you need to remove your emotion from the market, guys, and just follow a strategy, because otherwise without that, I mean, you're just gonna burn your money, and that's what I don't want that you pass. So that being said, in the daily we have already this consolidation evolving already since before it was obvious to see it. And now expecting again to go to the opposite, which will be around this area, and after that we can see if we're gonna break or not, and what the time is doing. I'm gonna come and say to you when I see something exciting happening. So for the 4-hour chart, let me remove all these marks. For the 4-hour chart, I mean, we still have strain in the Fortuna line, so potentially we're going to be consolidating a little bit here. In the best case scenario, we're expecting to go to the 55 MA, which is the 78, 79 more or less. This is what I placed already, our order over here. Let me show you how you can place order. You just go here at paper trading. Over here you use a trading view, and here you can place the orders. This is the order right now. I just put it at 76,500. Let's see, is that gonna fill up? Potentially yes, because the pattern over here. But if you get over there, I can open it already right here, and then we can just follow that. Confirm and right, enter already. We can follow this for the next 48 hours. We should go and retest this area, and once we're there, we're gonna talk what the Bitcoin price is gonna do, because we see the Fortuna line have strength. We have already this start, which is gonna maybe we're gonna continue a little bit more in that direction. But for now, if you want to make any trade, I'm doing this trade already with you, showing you. We should go to this area, and here I just sell. Everybody's being scared right now that we went below to the 76k, which is completely fine. It's the bottom of the consolidation I have been saying before, and now we need to go to the opposite and do the bounce to the orange line. And this is always, guys, like when the market is in blood is when we want to buy, and when everybody's so excited is where we want to sell. And it's so simple, but so many people do the same mistakes. So that's why now I want to show you the trades I'm doing over here. Hopefully you follow as well, and you do it by your own. Like this, we're gonna learn together and take profit, which is what we want from this market, guys. That being said, don't forget to save in Bitcoin, guys. Subscribe to the channel, smash that like, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.